Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to set Firefox Nightly as your default browser on your mobile device. This will ensure that all links open directly in Firefox Nightly, giving you faster browsing. First, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, find the option labeled Set as Default Browser and turn it on. Next, a prompt will appear asking you to choose your preferred browser. Select Firefox Nightly from the list of available browsers. Finally, tap on Set as Default to confirm your selection. From this moment, Firefox Nightly will be your default browser, and any link you click will automatically open in it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips.